Hello, my name is David, and I am very happy to be here with you today. I want to tell you my story, my daily life, my past, and my dreams for the future. I will speak slowly so you can understand every word and repeat after me if you want. I was born in a small village in the countryside. The village was quiet, with green fields, small houses, and friendly people. My family lived in a white house with a red roof. We had a big garden with many flowers and fruit trees. I remember playing in the garden when I was a child. I used to run, play with my dog, and climb the trees to pick apples. My childhood was simple but happy. When I was a little boy, I went to a small school near my house. Every morning, my mother woke me up early. She made breakfast for me: bread, cheese, and a glass of milk. Then I walked to school with my friends. The road to school was beautiful. We passed by the river, saw ducks swimming, and sometimes stopped to look at the fish. At school, I liked English lessons the most. My teacher was kind and patient. She spoke slowly and helped us learn new words every day. I remember the first English sentence I learned. My name is David. It was simple, but it made me proud. From that day, I wanted to learn more English, and I dreamed of speaking with people from other countries. When I grew older, I moved to the city to study at university. The city was bigger, louder, and faster than the village. There were many cars, tall buildings, and busy streets. At first, I felt a little scared, but soon I got used to it. I made new friends and we studied together in the library. I studied English language and literature. I read many books, wrote essays, and practiced speaking every day. My teachers told me that the best way to improve a language is to listen, speak, read, and write as much as possible. I followed their advice. I listened to English songs, watched English movies, and read English books. Slowly, my skills improved. After university, I decided to become an English teacher. I wanted to help people learn this beautiful language. Now I teach students from all over the world. Some are children, some are teenagers, and some are adults. They all have one thing in common: they want to learn and improve. My daily routine is simple. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I open my window and look outside. I like to feel the fresh air and listen to the birds. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and prepare breakfast. Usually I eat toast with butter and drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I eat an egg or some fruit. After breakfast, I start my work. I turn on my computer and check my emails. I prepare my lessons and meet my students online. I enjoy talking to them and helping them with their English. We talk about many topics: travel, hobbies, food, family, and work. Every student has their own story, and I love listening to them. Around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I take a break. I cook lunch, usually something simple like pasta, rice with vegetables, or chicken with salad. After lunch, I sometimes go for a walk in the park. The park is big with green grass, tall trees, and a small lake. I like to sit near the lake and watch the ducks. Sometimes I take pictures of the flowers in the sky. In the evening, I like to read books or watch movies. My favorite books are about history and travel. I like to imagine visiting the places I read about. My favorite movies are comedies because they make me laugh and feel happy. On weekends, I do different activities. Sometimes I visit my friends and we have coffee together. Sometimes we go to the beach. I love walking on the sand and listening to the sound of the waves. The sea makes me feel calm and relaxed. Other times I stay at home and try new recipes. Cooking is one of my hobbies. I like to cook dishes from other countries, like Italian pasta, Japanese sushi, or Moroccan couscous. I also enjoy traveling. I have visited several countries. I went to Spain, where I saw beautiful cities like Barcelona and Madrid. I visited France and walked along the River Seine in Paris. I went to Italy and ate delicious pizza in Rome. Traveling is exciting because you see new places, meet new people, and learn about different cultures. One day I hope to travel to Japan. I want to see the cherry blossoms in spring and visit ancient temples. I also want to visit Australia to see kangaroos and enjoy the beaches. Life is full of opportunities to learn and grow. I believe that every day is a chance to improve ourselves. That is why I keep reading, listening, and talking to people. I try to learn something new every day, even if it is just one word. I also believe in kindness. A small smile or a kind word can make someone's day better. I try to be friendly to everyone I meet, whether it is my neighbor, a shopkeeper, or a stranger on the street. Before I go to bed, I like to think about my day. I ask myself, what did I learn today? What can I do better tomorrow? This helps me stay motivated and positive. I go to bed feeling grateful for my life, my family, my friends, and my students. Sometimes I spend a few minutes writing in my diary. I write about what happened during the day, what made me happy, and what challenges I faced. Writing helps me understand myself better and remember important moments. I also write about my goals and dreams, and I try to imagine the steps I need to take to achieve them. I enjoy listening to soft music before sleeping. Music makes me calm and helps me relax. I like different types of music, classical, jazz, and sometimes soft pop songs. When I listen to music, I close my eyes and imagine I am in a beautiful place, far from noise and stress. I also like thinking about my travels. I remember the countries I visited and the people I met. Every trip was a new adventure. I met people from different cultures, tried new foods, and saw amazing landscapes. Traveling always teaches me something new and makes me feel happy. I hope to travel even more in the future. Sometimes I think about my childhood. I remember my friends, my school, and my favorite games. I used to play outside for hours. We would run, climb trees, and ride bicycles. Those memories make me smile because life was simple and full of joy. I like to remember these moments because they remind me of the importance of enjoying small things in life. I also enjoy learning new skills. Sometimes I try to learn simple things like cooking new recipes, drawing, or practicing yoga. Learning something new makes me feel proud and confident. I believe that every day is an opportunity to grow, and I like to take advantage of every moment. Before sleeping, I also think about my family and friends. I try to remember if I spoke to them today, if I made them happy, or if I helped them in any way. I believe that small actions of kindness make life better for everyone. Thinking about these things helps me feel grateful and peaceful. Sometimes I imagine my future. I imagine visiting new countries, learning more languages, and helping people improve their English. I dream about writing a book one day. Maybe it will be about my life, my travels, or simple lessons I learned. Writing a book is one of my long-term goals, and thinking about it motivates me to keep learning and practicing. Even before falling asleep, I like to plan simple things for the next day. I think about what I will eat, what tasks I need to do, and what I want to achieve. Planning makes me feel organized and ready for new challenges. It is exciting to wake up in the morning knowing I have a plan and small goals to achieve. This is my story. It is a simple story, but it is my life, and I am happy to share it with you. I hope you enjoyed listening to it, and I hope it helped you practice your English listening skills. Remember, the more you listen and speak, the better you will become. So keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up. Always remember, life is a journey. Every day brings new experiences and new opportunities. Even small steps count. If you take one small step every day to improve yourself, in time you will achieve great things. Learning English, being kind, helping others, and enjoying simple moments are all part of this journey. Thank you for listening, and I hope you continue your practice every day. One day you will look back and see how much progress you have made. Keep your heart open, stay curious, and enjoy every moment. And now my story comes to an end, but your journey with English is just beginning. Remember, learning a language is like planting a small seed. At first it grows slowly and you may not see much change. But with daily practice, patience, and effort, it will grow into a strong and beautiful tree. Every word you learn, every sentence you repeat brings you closer to your goal. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are natural and important. Every time you make one, you are learning something new and improving a little more. Be proud of each small step you take, because small steps add up to big achievements over time. Stay curious every day. Listen carefully to English around you. Speak whenever you can, even if it is just a few words. Read, write, and explore new expressions. Each new word or phrase is a key that opens a door to new experiences, new ideas, and new friends. Enjoy the journey. Learning English is not only about grammar and vocabulary, it is about discovering new ways to communicate, meeting people from different cultures, and hearing and sharing stories. Celebrate your progress every day. Celebrate your courage to try, your patience, and your dedication. Before you finish watching this video, take a moment to think about what you learned today. Did you enjoy this story? Did you notice any new words or sentences that you can use tomorrow? Reflection is part of learning. It helps you remember, understand, and apply what you hear. If you liked this story and found it useful, you might want to share it with someone who is also learning English. Sharing knowledge makes the journey more enjoyable for everyone. And if a sentence, a word, or an idea helped you today, feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. It is always inspiring to read what others are learning and thinking. Thank you for spending this time with me. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing. Your dedication will lead you to amazing progress. Remember, every day is a new chance to improve, to grow, and to explore new possibilities. So now take a deep breath, relax, and imagine all the wonderful things you can do tomorrow. Sleep well, dream big, and wake up ready to continue your English journey. And when you feel ready, return to this video, listen again, and repeat what you hear. You will notice the improvement every time. I hope you enjoyed this story. If it helped you even a little, remember to share it with friends who want to learn English too. Maybe leave a comment about your favorite part or a new word you learned today. And if you enjoyed the video, a little thumbs up is always appreciated. It helps the channel share more stories like this with other learners around the world. Keep believing in yourself, stay positive, and never give up. Your English journey is just beginning, and every moment you spend practicing brings you closer to your dreams. Good night, and see you in the next story.